will beg people of our state. They have seen the amount of things we are doing in the state, and we will beg them to be considerate and see. It's a rapport. We have a good rapport with people in our state.
Your Excellency, last week you made a statement that the president was not happy with the situation in Abia. Did you mean the political situation in Abia or APC performance in Abia?
Thank you very much. Well, let me tell you, the president was not happy with amount of friends and friendship with us. In Southeast, he's only been in Igbere, he slept twice as a human being. And he was baffled that, for example, in 2019, when I joined the APC, President Buhari made 68% in our constituency. And President Tinubu came back to have only 4% in entire Abia. He was not happy in the political numbers of APC in Abia. He has nothing to do with Abia State. President Tinubu is not a petty person. He knows he has friends all over. I'm sure even the governor also is his friend. And we were not talking about state. We were talking about performance of our party in Abia State. And nobody will be happy. He has a friend like me. He has other people that are his friends. And we can only take 4%. It's even me, I can't even believe it. I was ashamed to see that. And this is why I'm not forceful to ask for anything from the government, and because I know we did not do well, and I am reconfirming that when we do well, we will do very, 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 very well. I'll be in the forefront to fight for us to do well, and we will beg people of our state. They have seen the amount of things we are doing in the state, and we will beg them to be considerate and see. It's a rapport. We have a good rapport with people in our state, and they will behave well. I wasn't talking about political situation in Abia. He's not happy that the party is not doing well. He gave me his words to go and reorganize the party in the state. But I want to do that in conjunction with other leaders, because we have to fight. The Southeast as a whole have to belong where other Nigerians are sitting. I'm not just talking about Abia. We are going to be, I'm seeing that the Southeast must be with other Nigerians, especially Abia and my constituency. We have to be where other Nigerians are sitting. It has nothing to do with our state. I see some people talking about OT, Governor Alex OT and all that. But it's not about OT. We are talking about the election in 2023. Possibly it was a slip on my own side, because I didn't show it down. I have nothing to talk about our state. And I can never discuss, I didn't discuss Orji in public, I didn't discuss igbos in public, and I can never discuss Governor OT in public. All the governors can only be decided by people of the state who decide their fate, not me, not in my hand. So any governor, their fate are decided by people who vote, who are illiterate, not me. All I know, I will ponder and be with the illiterate and beg them and pacify them to follow our APC and vote for us. I am for APC. I'm not for any other thing. Thank you very much.